Yep, that's where the shitter's going. Enjoying the couch. Kitchen wall. Kitchen area. Dance floor. And bathroom. Another wall. Into the bedroom. And here Fran comes. Hi. Oh, good. Oh, wow. We got our pantry. Excuse me, Fran. You come around the bathroom. And we got bathroom storage.
Keep our TP there. Good girl. We're gonna play hide and seek, okay?
You can't look at me. You're cheating.
Francine, stay. No, stay. No. Stop cheating, Fran. You're supposed to cover your eyes. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
Bark-free countertops, a bark-free bar. Looks so good. Get it.
Imagine it.
Stunning, I can see it. It's right there. You got a drawer on the top and then 2 doors on the bottom. Well, it will be a drawer.
And doors.
And these will be doors. Ooh!
Wow, that works so well. No, no. Does it look like one piece?
It does look like one piece. and breakfast in bed.
I just want to go this way so I can fit down the hallway.
Made shelves. I just gotta put all these on. First coat on that. Mike's out there working on the rest of this. Our dresser. Got a bathroom vanity. And our sink looks super cute on top of this. Got a cool view from here. I painted this white. Looking good. And that's it. Mike finished the dresser. It's got cubbies, top shelf area, clothes will be hung up here, space for our hamper. Then I got some orange in the bathroom and peach in the bedroom. Got all the stuff cleared off the floors to put some flooring down. Got a fire in the fireplace, keeping warm in here. And it's sunny. You look great.
Thanks. Cutting into the roof, take one.
Oh geez. Hey.
Christ, what the fuck?
What are we doing today?
Well, we're trying to figure out how to get this through the ceiling, through the insulation, through the ceiling, and pop out over here. We're gonna do some conduit, we're gonna do some wiring. I gotta do some tank monitor sensors, wiring all the batteries.
Hooked up.
It's gonna be a big day. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, big day. So we're gonna thread this wire through the roof so you can't see it, and then out this nasty hole right here.
And this is gonna be touched up. You're not gonna see a lot of this.
Yeah. Oh! You're in? There it goes. Ooh. Oh, fuck yeah.
Bam! Had to go through a couple rib layers.
Let's see, where are you?
Hopefully it didn't go through the roof.
Mike.
You coming? Oh, I see some insulation moving. Ooh.
Oh,
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 oh.
oh!
Ah!
Hey, Mai.
What's up?
What are we doing today?
I guess we're doing our final leak tests.
For the incoming water.
It's gonna be a mess.
Don't say that.
Not seeing any leaks. Check under the bathroom sink too.
I know. Oh, wow. I'm not seeing any leaks.
Nice. Give it the feel test.
Look at that. Wow. I want to get in there.
No, I don't So we finally finished our composting toilet. We went the homemade route, as you can see. It's about 10% of the cost, about 1,000% of the labor. Come on, let me show you what's inside. Got the piss bowl here, poop bag. Pee is routed to some piss jugs, as you can see. The exhaust here is routed to a fan. It's mounted back there and it goes to the exterior. We got storage here for cocoa bricks or sawdust. And if it ever gets too stinky, a little less legroom, but a little more feature from the front.
I like that.
We could do a straight perpendicular.
I kind of like that. Like...
Ew.
It looks good.
Or we can go fucking buck wild. Have the
Oh.
have the centerpiece kind of more centered.
Ooh.
You like that, don't you?
I kind of like that. Let's get the bar on it.
Okay.
We got our bed in here. Look how cute it is. We live here now.
I know what I'm about to do with this. I farted in the bathroom. I had to leave.
Make some of this queen. Getting higher on Sharpie.
Yeah, it's concentrated in here.
Perfect little thingy.
How does it look? Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks so good.
Nice.
Good girl. We're really gonna be shitting in a bucket. There's already shit in there.